Hello, my friends, and welcome back to another episode of Rice, Baby, the show where you submit your desktops, I give my thoughts, and then the whole community votes for their favorite submission. Every episode, we look at 10 submissions from the Rice, Baby in the community Discord, link in the description, and you can tell by the dates here, 22 days ago, I'm a little bit behind. Been a little bit busy. I caught a cold. I've been playing Kazan, the first Berserker. Great game. But I'm a little bit behind, so I'm going to catch up. Thank you all so much for the submissions. I'm a little bit overwhelmed with submissions, but we are going to catch up. So let's get the ball rolling with Windows 10 LTSC Rice by Lonxy, posted 22 days ago. Oh my god, I'm so behind. Okay, very simple and minimalistic config, Ultra UX theme patcher, OpenShell, Oh My Posh, Fancy WM, Spotify with SpotX and Spicedify, and a custom theme, Millennium Steam themes, Vencord for Discord's custom themes, and Taskbar X for the centered icons. Let's have a look. This is a little bit tricky. This looks like two monitors. If you have multiple monitors, and you want to make a submission, please take a screenshot of each monitor separately and submit it like that. It makes it a little bit easier for me in the editing process. But yeah, this looks great. Very sleek monochromatic look. Yeah, I like the little recycling bin in the corner. Let's see what else we got. So this is the custom Spotify, I guess. Okay, not bad. We have Discord here looking pretty good. I would probably have made the top bar, the status bar, the taskbar, whatever it is. I probably would have made that matte or be a little bit darker, but then if I look here at the other screen, I can see that the terminal backgrounds match with this quite nicely. So I don't know. I'm in the middle with this one. One thing I really like though is the title bar style here. It's like Windows 2000 throwback style. Very nice. I guess that comes with LTSC. Yeah, this is on the whole, I think this is really good. It's cohesive, it's functional, it's not too crazy. Steam is also looking pretty nice here. That's like the barest Steam library I've ever seen. My Steam library is full of so many games that I've picked up during all of the sales. Damn, that's wild. Yeah, thank you so much for this submission. I don't really have any notes besides converging the background colors and having the status bar background color match. Oh, and here we have the wallpaper. Beautiful wallpaper. Simple, yet so beautiful. Very nice. Thank you so much for your submission. Moving on, we have Fluent Style Rice, something like that, from Zero. This is Z-Bar and Glaze WM. And this is very aesthetic. Oh my goodness, this is very nice. I feel very calm looking at this. All right, so Z-Bar is poppin'. This is some good CSS magic going on here. And okay, I really like how these highlights are kind of propagated throughout. Like the red is a little bit off here. I would have this match with the red of the weather widget, but it's close enough that it looks really good. And also like this orange is kind of reflected in the background as well in the rock formation. Very nice. Oh my god, it gets better. This is very nice. Okay, so looking at the theme, I love how the import and the from and the const keywords are matching up with the background here of the music cover art. Also, the string Syntax highlighting is matching up very nicely with the rock formation in the background, and of course the variable names with the blue in the background. This is very good stuff. Yep, this is very nice. This is very, very nice. I like this a lot. This is beautiful. Really, really good job. It's cohesive, it's simple, it's effective. A really nice choice of fonts as well. I don't have any notes. My friend. You did a great job. Very nice, thank you. Next up we have ManoPerry84 with My Simple Rice, Yasp, cleRRB, and Windhawk. Also tacky borders, and I don't know what Sweet Paranoia theme is. Oh, this is a pretty cool Discord theme. Looks like a terminal app. Cool theme. I like this. Damn, these icons on the nav are... Wait, are these? Oh yeah, these are servers. Damn, it's a lot of anime servers. Yeah, this is looking pretty good. I would probably choose a more monospace font for the status bar. Not sure entirely why, but I think probably because you have this monospace font all over your Discord here, I would expect to see something similar on the status bar as well. Yeah, but the color scheme is on point with the background. The background picture is interesting, like Soviet vibes. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Yeah, the only tweak I'd probably make to this one is use a monospace font here. The JetBrains Mono font. Is that what it's called? JetBrains Mono? Yeah, that's a pretty good font. I think it would work very nicely here. Good stuff. Thank you for the submission. Next up, we have Linux, Hyperland, Waybar, and Ghosty by Solar. I think this is the first time I've seen Ghosty used in one of these submissions. Is it Ghosty or Ghostty? I'm not sure how to say it. How do you say it? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, a lot of Groovebox here. An oldie but a goodie. A lot of Groovebox. Yeah, I like this. This person is also using the same Discord theme, which is this. I guess this is the popular theme to use right now. Love the monospace font. It looks really cool. Takes me back to the days of IRC. Yeah, pretty nice. I think again here. So I don't know what the correct terminology is in terms of typography, but this font is not as wide. Each character is not as wide as the font here. So I'd probably pick a font that has more space for each individual character horizontally. I don't know what the terminology is. Sorry, just my poor attempt at explaining what I mean when it comes to fonts. But on the whole, very good. I like seeing a vertical status bar every now and then. I feel like, especially those of us who use ultra-wide monitors, we waste a lot of space when we have a horizontal status bar over the top. So yeah, this is nice. A little bit more space saving, a little bit more... Actually, I don't know if it's more ergonomic, but it looks nice. And here we have a big old NixOS flake. Yeah, very nice font here as well. Damn, this is very nice. I like the italics here when you have, I guess, italics for quoted strings. How do you do that? I didn't know that you could set italics for different syntax elements. Very interesting. But yeah, I always like a good Nix flake. I actually, okay, possibly unpopular opinion, I really like the Nix programming language. It is probably my favorite not statically typed programming language to write code in. It just makes sense. It just works. And yeah, I wish we could write Nix configurations for Windows. That would make my life so much easier. So much easier. But back to the back to the rice. This looks beautiful. Everything fits. Everything looks good. All the colors are on point. Great job. Oh, and here's the waybar. Yeah, Groovebox Dark. Beautiful. Good stuff, my friend. Very, very good stuff. Moving on, we have Frocqua Cubez with Sleepy Time Reimagined. This is currently a work in progress, but here are some screenshots. Let's have a look. Very nice. This is Yasp, and it looks really good. It looks really good. Okay, so I'm a little bit biased because I love space stuff and space vibes. So, like, yeah, this is hitting all the beats for me. Really good. Really, really good. Even more space vibes. I love it. I love it. Yeah, I would like to see probably some more busy screenshots of how it looks to work. Okay, the status bar is a little bit, these two different status bars. I mean, there are two different configs. Interesting that the left is kept blank. It feels a little bit imbalanced. Like, I feel like there should be something permanent here. Like, maybe these widgets should be there. But okay, this looks nice as well. I don't think you can change the background color of this, can you? Because it'd be really nice if it matched the blue hues of the desktop. But it looks good, simple, classic. Nice lock screen as well. Man, everybody's lock screen looks way better than mine. And oh, okay, so the left is for the focused window title. I get it. Yeah, this looks really nice. I particularly like how the native system widgets don't feel out of place with this, because in some customizations, especially on Windows, whenever you bring in the native system widgets, they look really, really out of place, and there's not much that you can do about that. But I think if you design in a certain way that takes those constraints into consideration, you end up with something that looks really, really cohesive like this. Really, really good job. I really enjoyed this one. Thank you for the submission. Next up, we have Conan with Simple Capuchin Mocha Rice. Not fully done yet, but thought I would share it anyways. So I guess these are rain meter widgets. I don't know much about rain meter, but I like seeing it. It always looks very nice. If this is like the waveform thing that goes up and down with the music, this is very cool. I like the idea of having this waveform be composed of the different colors that go into the theme. I mean, this looks like a color palette of a theme, and it seems to match up with the colors on the Yasp bar. So that's very nice. I like that. Nice touch. I would like to know more about what these widgets do. It'd be very nice if you could, I don't know, type a command in here to get run in the background and then have a little pop-up with the standard out. That'd be pretty cool. Yeah, I'm interested to see where this goes. Please keep us updated. My setup by Olivia. Made sure to match the colors. That is what I like. That is what I like. And dot files. Thank you for providing dot files. This is gonna be a video. How can I hold up? Yeah, okay, I guess that's fine. I'll just edit that afterwards. Let's take a look at this video. colors are matched. Colors are matched. I'm already happy. It's looking good. We're running Arch on WSL, and that looks like Zen browser. Looks nice. I am getting glimpses of the background. The background looks very nice. I can't tell what it is. It would be nice if you could stop for a second so I could see the background. Ooh, is that a pink cursor? That is a pink cursor. That looks nice, especially in the context of all the highlights and accent colors. Very nice job, Olivia. Very nice job. If you could drop also the wallpaper, I would like to catch a glimpse of that. What do we have here? We have Capuchin Frappe by Ashes, cleRRB, and Yasp. So I think this one, yeah, this person actually submitted separate. Here we go. Yeah, I asked this person to submit separated screenshots for different monitors. So this is beautiful. Look at this. Everything matches. Everything matches. This is beautiful. Very happy with this. Very, very happy with this. The background of the editor, the background of the browser, the background of Discord. Also using that same... Why do I not know about this theme? Everybody is using this theme, and I don't know about this theme. It's very cool. I am probably going to try it out. The monospace terminal application style theme. Yeah, this is really good. This hits. It hits. Oh, and this is the tweak to the Zen browser. Yeah. And this is the vertical monitor. Very nice. This is giving me Persona vibes. Yeah, this could easily be from Persona 6. Very nice, very cute, very nice. Good job, Ashes. I enjoyed that. Moving on, we have Windows Rice on Linux. So this is another Linux Rice with Hyperland from Sunny IDK. Are there more? No more pictures, just this one. Oh, no, there are more. Good. So, once again, I see Hyperbar. Pretty cool. It's pretty recognizable. And looks like everything matches. I'm pretty happy. We have, once again, the same Discord theme. This is the episode that's all about this Discord theme. Looks great. I really like the square server icon styling. Very nice. Yeah. So I have one, not a note, but a question, because, okay, technically the theme is consistent, but I'm not sold on the idea of green, yellow, and orange together. Like, you have green and yellow here as well, and like it's reflected in the album art here as well. It's consistent. I don't know, maybe I'm just old. I don't know. So like I have this Japanese color dictionary, and it has like different color palettes, and I use it sometimes to help me pick my outfits. I feel like you would not find this color combination in my Japanese color combination dictionary. But, you know, maybe I need to broaden my horizons a little bit. Let me know in the chat, what do you think about green and yellow and orange together? Maybe I need to get with the times. All right, my friends, I think this is going to be the last one. This is number 10 of 10. The reason why we can only do 10 per episode is because you can only vote. You can only set a poll for voting for maximum 10 different options on Discord. So we're limited to 10 per episode. Anyway, this already looks beautiful. Beautiful. How did you get this so like sleek and minimalist? Damn, that's so good. That's so good. Yeah, this is... what am I gonna say? This is incredible, really good. Yeah, beautiful background. The color scheme is consistent. You have, I don't know how you change the background of the Explorer pop-ups. Very cool. And here is a busy screenshot. Oh my god, so good. So good. Also using the fish shell, I see, I like. I'm also a fish shell user. Yeah, this is great. I mean, look at how like the greens match with the greens here, and the music widget and the volume widget, the reds, and just everything. Love it. Really, really nice submission. A very nice submission for us to end on. Okay, my friends. So what we usually do at this point is we take a look at the submissions from the last episode and see how everybody voted. So in the last episode, episode 3, we had an extra submission, but yeah, it looks like no, it was not even close. Rice 7 was the winner. I wanted to jump to Rice 7. Let's take a look. Rice 7 was from Pagecast, and it is Yasp, Windhawk, Glazed WM, Windows 11 Capuchin Rice, and it is a thing of beauty. It is a thing of beauty. A very, very well deserved win. I don't like to think of this in terms of winning and losing, but all of the votes are very well deserved. And yeah, everybody is a winner. In my book, everybody who makes a submission, who puts time into making something beautiful and creative that they care about, and yeah, thank you all so much. There would be no show without you. Like, this would not be fun. Like, there are so many submissions here now. Like, I am overwhelmed with the number of submissions and the amount of creativity here. And as a reminder, this show, these submissions, like, this is for everybody. It's not like some other communities on the internet that have like a stick up their butt about what operating system you have to use, what tiling window manager you have to use, what desktop environment you have to use, what software you have to use. Like, I care very little about that. I'm more interested in seeing what you come up with, and seeing your creativity, and seeing what you make of things, right? And as a reminder, you can submit a Rice from any operating system, using any desktop environment, using any tiling window manager. You don't even have to use a tiling window manager, right? I'm all about the aesthetics. Rice Baby is all about the aesthetics. So yeah, please submit. I know I'm a little bit behind, I'm a little bit overwhelmed, but please submit. It makes me really happy to make these videos. I know a lot of people in the community love seeing what you come up with. They love digging into your dot files. And yeah, what can I say? It's a great little community that we have, and I hope that you will all keep contributing. By the way, we also now have a Rice Baby subreddit. It is a very small subreddit at this point, but I'm hoping that it will grow. I know a lot of people like to submit their Rices on Reddit as well, so please check that out. r/Rice Baby. I am going to add all of the submissions into the Rice Baby voting channel for this episode. You'll have 2 weeks to vote for your favorite, and stay tuned for the next episode, which I should probably record pretty soon because I'm already really behind. And this is a little preview. Looks beautiful. Cannot wait to go into them. And yeah, that is the end of the episode. Thank you all so much for tuning in, for watching, for liking, for commenting, for subscribing. Hopefully you'll subscribe if you have not already subscribed. I hope that whatever you will do today, you have a great, great day. Free Palestine. And I'll see you all back here next time.